What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Kingo. If you've ever tried drawing with a mouse and thought there has to be a better way, you're absolutely right. Today we're talking about one of the best graphics drawing tablet options for creators who want precision, comfort, and smooth workflow without spending a fortune. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the uninterrupted H640p graphics drawing tablet, you'll quickly see why so many people love it. Huion designed this tablet to make your creative process feel natural and efficient, whether you're sketching, editing photos, teaching online, or just taking digital notes. One of the first things you'll notice is the 6 customizable press keys on the tablet. These keys can be set to your favorite shortcuts like undo, zoom, brush change, or anything else you use often. The great part is that through the Huion driver, you can assign different shortcut settings for different apps, so your keys can behave one way in Photoshop and another way in OneNote or Zoom. That means less time clicking around menus and more time focusing on your work. Now let's talk about the stylus, because that's the heart of any drawing tablet. The uninterrupted H640p comes with the battery-free PW100 pen. No charging, no replacing batteries, just pick it up and start creating. It offers 992 levels of pressure sensitivity, which basically means the tablet can detect very small changes in how hard you press. Press lightly for thin lines, press harder for thicker strokes. It feels smooth and responsive, and very close to using a real pen on paper. The pen is lightweight and comfortable to hold, even during long sessions. It also has side buttons that let you quickly switch tools so your workflow stays uninterrupted. Another big advantage of the H640p is its portability. It has a slim 0.3-inch profile and weighs just 1.41 pounds. That makes it easy to slip into a backpack and carry to school, work, or even while traveling. Even if you have a small desk, this compact size fits comfortably without taking over your workspace. And despite being small and light, it still delivers solid performance. Compatibility is also a strong point here. The uninterrupted H640p works with Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android devices. That gives you a lot of flexibility depending on your setup. It also supports left-handed users, which is a thoughtful touch. The only limitation is that it does not support iOS, but for most other platforms, you're covered. What makes this tablet even more interesting is that it's not just for drawing. You can use it as a smart alternative to a mouse. It's great for signing digital documents, annotating files, writing notes, or simply navigating your computer with more precision. Using a pen instead of a mouse can also help reduce wrist strain, especially if you spend long hours in front of your screen. The Huion H640p also works smoothly with popular creative software like Photoshop, SAI, and Medibang Paint. On the productivity side, it integrates well with tools like OneNote, Zoom, and Microsoft Whiteboard. Whether you're using it as a drawing pad, writing pad, signature pad, or trackpad, it adapts easily to your needs. Here's the bottom line. The uninterrupted H640p graphics drawing tablet offers a natural pen experience, smart customization, wide compatibility, and a compact design that's easy to carry anywhere. It's simple, reliable, and surprisingly versatile. If you're thinking about upgrading your setup, don't miss out. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.